Here's my attempt at a vlog. We are going to the Mini Truck Showdown in Bakersfield. Gonna be a freaking hot one. 108 tomorrow. Load it up. I'm gonna hit the gas station. Get on the road. Update. We are 20 miles away. I think this is still considered Bakersfield. There's farmland out here. Grocery store next. We're in. Registered. Truck got number 001, which I guess is cool. There's already cars here, so I'm not sure how that happened. Obviously I have the RV with me. I'm waiting for them to show me where the camping spots are. They actually have like hookups in some of the areas, so the guy that runs this thing is gonna show me where to park. So we're here cruising the boulevard. Still only about 4:30 on Friday, and I've been here for a few hours, but I have been on Struggle Street today. Got a problem with the truck, which I will go over here shortly. I also had a problem with the RV. Luckily, there was a camping world in town, and I was able to go ahead and get the part that I needed. This place has hookups for RVs, which is really cool, but they only have 50 amp outlets, and I have a 30 amp plug. So I had to scramble and get that, and then the truck, pulled it off the trailer, everything was all good. As I parked it in front of a little spot, I hear this air leaking. What the heck is that? It's leaking out of my, come to find out now, passenger side front valve, and it's doing all these weird things, and I can't figure out why I can't keep air in this thing. The open and close valve are both like stuck open, or something is stuck in them. And so right now I ran to Home Depot and I grabbed me a ball valve, and what I did was I just put the ball valve on the end of the dump valve to stop the leakage. So basically I can't lower the front right unless I just let all of the air out of the truck itself. Really weird situation. I'm gonna try to do some stuff with it later, but this is just what it looks like Friday night here. I'll check back in later with some more people showing up. This is basically how I've been the entire freaking day. Long story short, issue with the valves. This was the line coming into the passenger side front. I had to get a T, and basically I'm just running one valve for both of the front, and that'll get me home and let me cruise around here. Finally set up. I need to cool off. It's hot. Man, that wore me out. I'm pretty lucky. I usually try to come prepared for stuff like this. I do a lot of desert stuff, so I always have parts, tools, and everything. This thing I've been spoiled with, and it's always like been super reliable, but the truck was built like 20 years ago. All of the bags are the same, all of the airlines are the same, all the valves are the same. I've been wanting to replumb the entire thing, rebuild all the valves just so like stuff like this wouldn't happen, and it's definitely got to happen now. So I was able to tee off that front two lines, and I'm just using one valve to control both front, which is fine. Honestly, that's all I need. It's got a 2-link anyways. I can't do side to side, so it's sort of pointless. But it's like, I think it's probably 100 today, probably 98 at least. I got no AC in that thing on the way to Home Depot. It was so freaking hot. Luckily I'm in the RV now. I got the AC blasted in here. I'm gonna chill out, probably have some ice cream, and then cruise around a little bit tonight when it cools down, check out who else has come. There are other cars here, trucks. It's funny, I've been working on this thing all day. Nobody said anything to me all day. Soon as I wrap it up and I turn the car on, these dudes back here walk over, go, hey bro, you need any help? And they had the parts that I needed. So goes to show you, go say hi to people when you get here, and don't be shy to, you know, go around, ask around. Most likely people are gonna be able to help you, want to help, or try to help you. So lesson learned. Thank you.
But yeah, insurance is a whole lot cheaper in Arkansas than it is in Vegas and in New York. So,
Nice. Saturday night, that's a wrap. It's about 10 o'clock. And I have something to show you guys. We did pretty well. Sunday morning, we're back. Actually, I came in last night and told y'all we did pretty well. Completely unexpected for me, but they chose me as best mini truck, which is super cool. Completely unexpected. Yeah, I don't even know what to say about it. You know, when you like have something, at least for me at least, I never think anything is like too nice, or you know, I don't really take things too seriously. But apparently people were digging the truck. A lot of people actually were telling me how sick they thought it was and they loved it, and I don't know, it's cool. So yeah, appreciate it. My first award. Thanks for watching.